These problems have to do with sequences, and sequences are just numbers that go in some pattern, and you kind of have to figure out what the pattern is. The two kind of most basic sequences in numbers are the even numbers and the odd numbers, and the even numbers, I'm sure you know, are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on, 12, 14, 16, 18. Those are numbers that you go every other number, and these are the even ones. The other ones, the odd numbers, are the ones that are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so forth. You're just skipping every other one. These are even, these are odd. I'm sure you've run into that before. In this first question, it says, which of the following numbers is even? So we're looking for a number that ends with a 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 0. So we got 139, 781, 48, well, that ends with an 8, and the other one's 337. So this is the only one that ends with an 8. So this is an even number. Here's another question. This one says, which of the following numbers is odd? And those are the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so forth on up there. So we're going to look for a number that ends with one of these. And we've got 71. Well, that looks promising. Let's check the other ones. 22, no, that's even. 558, even. 446, even. So this is our odd number. Sequences can be a little more complicated than that, though. Let's look at this one. What three numbers are next in this sequence? And it goes 3, 9, 15, 21. So the trick there is to figure out, what's the pattern here? How are these numbers related? And then fill in the next three numbers to come. One of the first things to look at is how many numbers they are apart. Going from 3 to 9 would be 6 numbers apart. If I subtract 3 from 9, I get 6. Going from 9 to 15, oh, that's also 6. It's starting to look like a pattern. Let's check it. Going from 15 to 21, also 6. So it looks like they're just adding 6 every time. So therefore, the next number would be 21 plus 6, or 27. And then after that, 27 plus 6, or 33. And then after that, 39. Let's do one more of these. This next one says, what is the next number in this sequence? And it goes 54, 52, 50, 48, 46. And you might see this already, but they go down by 2. So that's minus 2, that's minus 2, that's minus 2. Every time you take away 2. So the next number after 46 then would be 44, and then after that 42, and then after that 40. It's sort of like counting down the even numbers from 54. So those are a few problems about sequences.